Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2010 ML550 4MATIC. This one's Palladium. Underneath it's a 5.5 V8 pushing out 402 horsepower and 443 pounds torque. This one does come with 20-inch 5-spoke AMG alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Black MB Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Sunroof. Coming around back, ML550 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, set all season floor mats, pull down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, power windows, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power seats. Wood leather steering wheel controls, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, climate controls, heated seats. This ML550 has 120,990 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML550 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.